So with the proposed PDP section, this is your section where you propose new developmental needs or activities to your appraiser. So you can sit down and actually do this together with your appraiser by pressing Add PDP and then filling in each box as needed. So your development required is your new development that you want to improve. For example, you could have see more patients who are requesting HRT, for example. Is this job role or career development? So this is to do with your role or long-term career goals. So in this sense, this is more job role. Your timescale is kind of the set period of time you want to meet this need. So you can say, for example, within 6 months. And the action is what you want to do, so your plan in order to meet that need. So your action could be request reception to book patients requesting for HRT with myself. Shadow GP HRT consultations. And then you can press save. And you can add more PDPs as required.